let's put some wax on some beehives.
You making supper?
Well, making beeswax. So I went over that twice. I'm hoping that's good enough.
Oh, I'm sure. It's not a necessity.
No, we've been watching like Mr. Ed and Dirt Rooster, and they all say if you want your bees to build good even comb and a lot faster, you should wax your frames. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna switch out the frames in the top of our beehive because they're not yet building on it. This is the beeswax we bought. We bought 5 pounds of it. It's supposed to be all organic, 100% pure honeybee wax.